Entering the world of engagement ring shopping can be an intimidating task, but by the end of this video, you're going to have a step-by-step guide to approaching this monumental milestone. I'm James, your virtual jewelry expert, and today I'm giving you my checklist for engagement ring shopping. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. We're always posting useful jewelry content. Now let's get engaged. Buying an engagement ring is a monumentous occasion that symbolizes love, commitment, and the beginning of a shared life. Here's my guide to help you navigate the process. Start by determining a realistic budget for your engagement ring. While traditional guidelines suggest spending 2 to 3 months' salary, this is ultimately a personal decision based on your financial situation. Consider all of your expenses, including the proposal and wedding costs, to ensure you make a comfortable choice. Remember, it's not about the price tag, but finding a ring that resonates with both your partner's style and your budget. When choosing a diamond, familiarize yourself with the 4 C's, as they are essential in assessing a diamond's quality. Carat measures the weight of the diamond. A higher carat indicates a larger diamond, but keep in mind that carat weight can affect pricing significantly. Cut refers to how well the diamond has been shaped and faceted, which influences its brilliance and sparkle. The better the cut, the more light the diamond reflects. Diamond colors range from completely colorless to shades of yellow or brown. Generally, the less color a diamond has, the more valuable it is. The color scale runs from D colorless to Z light yellow. Clarity assesses the presence of inclusions, your internal characteristics, or blemishes, your external marks. The fewer and less severe the blemishes, the higher the clarity grade, which can impact the price. Engagement rings can be made from various metals, each with its unique appearance, durability, and price point. Yellow gold is a classic and traditional choice that works well with most diamond colors. White gold offers a contemporary look and is often rhodium plated for extra shine, but requires maintenance to keep its finish. Rose gold is known for its romantic and vintage appeal. It is alloyed with copper, giving it a warm hue. Platinum is the most durable and hypoallergenic option. Platinum is heavier and typically more expensive, but will not tarnish over time. The style of the engagement ring is crucial and should reflect your partner's personal taste. Consider the following styles. Solitaires are a single diamond setting that emphasizes simplicity and elegance. Halo rings feature a central diamond surrounded by smaller diamonds, which can enhance the overall sparkle and make your main stone appear larger. 3-stone rings symbolize the past, present, and future. This style features 3 prominent stones, often chosen to represent different milestones in your relationship. Finding the right ring size is crucial for ensuring the perfect fit. If you want to surprise your partner, you could borrow one of their rings, preferably one worn on the same finger, and have it measured at a jeweler, or consult their friends or family for help. Most jewelers also provide a ring sizer for a more accurate fit. Once you purchase the ring, consider insuring it to protect against loss, theft, or damage. Speak with your jeweler about protection plan options that cover repairs, maintenance, and cleaning, which can be invaluable in keeping the ring in pristine condition. The presentation of the ring is just as important as the ring itself. Think about how you want to propose. Choose a romantic setting that feels right for both of you, whether it's a location that holds sentimental value or a picturesque spot. Create a moment that reflects your relationship, whether it's an intimate dinner, a grand public gesture, or a quiet moment at home. By taking these factors into account, you can confidently select an engagement ring that not only represents your love and commitment, but will also be cherished for a lifetime. Ultimately, the best engagement ring is one that embodies your partner's personality and your unique relationship. If this gem helped you, we would love it if you could give us a thumbs up. We invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section. How was your experience shopping for your ring? Your feedback helps us grow and connect with fellow jewelry enthusiasts. Subscribe to JewelryWise to stay updated on our latest videos filled with expert tips and stunning trends.